It's a shotgun. Welcome back to FTW Tech. I'm your host Isaiah. So fun fact, I was filming this video and the audio and the video at the beginning for some reason just cut out. Or actually, I think it was just the video or the audio from the shotgun mic. So right now I'm not talking into the shotgun mic. For the rest of the video, once I transition, you'll hear me talking into the shotgun mic. So yeah, today I'm so excited to be with you guys today for a video on... Come on, Microsoft Editor extension. Why do you have to do that to me when I'm recording a video? Anyways. So, I have a new shotgun mic. It is the Audio-Technica AT875R. It is currently right here. I'm going to show you guys my new recording setup. I'm so excited. Watch this. I'm gonna take my phone out of here. So now the audio is going to get worse because I'm not talking into the shotgun mic directly. Here is the shotgun mic. Again, my voice shouldn't sound great right now. But I've got the shotgun mic on this boom pole, and then down, well, not boom pole exactly, but mount. And then here I've got my new camera tripod, and then my setup. I've got it plugged into the XLR. I've got the phantom power going and recording in Audacity. So I'm very excited to get to the review, but let's get into it. The $170 Audio-Technica AT875R is renowned as the best budget shotgun microphone hands down. But is it really? The 875R is a short shotgun microphone that I got used on eBay for just $90. Audio-Technica touts excellent off-axis sound rejection, great sound quality, and honestly not much else. I'm proud of Audio-Technica for being the first company in a while that I've seen that has not used marketing buzzwords such as gaming or extreme. It's just a no-frills shotgun microphone. It comes with a foam cover but no XLR cable, so you'll have to buy that separately, although, they're cheap. I got the 10-foot one from Hosa for around 20 bucks. It also has a clip with a screw hole so it can be mounted to a boom pole. I mounted mine to the Amazon Basics microphone mount as you saw earlier, but any ground-based mount should work. Because it is powered by XLR phantom power, it is not meant for DSLR cameras. Now, this is not just a review of the AT875R. This is a comparison to the $20 Moukey MCM1. So this is the MCM1. It is, well, actually, we'll get to that later. First of all, I do want to also mention, I got a new smartwatch. This is my Yame ID205 or something like that. It's a cheap, like $20 smartwatch. It's got the time. It's waterproof, which is great for my lifeguarding. It's just, it works. It works. It's nothing special. I didn't want to shell out too much money for it, but it works. So, I want you guys to tell me how the AT875R sounds. Now, keep in mind, I spent this $90 and then also the money on this pole because of Chili. So Chili, I hope you feel guilty or happy because now my audio sounds better. Because Chili recommended that I get a shotgun mic for my videos or somehow get better audio quality. And I chose to go this route and now I've got a shotgun mic. So, yeah. But anyways, I want you guys to let me know, how is the sound quality? You're hearing it now, you've been hearing it for the whole video. This is the sound quality. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. That's the plosive test. I'll put on screen what I think of the sound quality. I have heard it before. I did a test actually before I did this review. And I can say that I did like it. It was a big upgrade over my phone. I'm no audiophile, okay? So I'm not going to examine the lows, mids, and highs. I'm not going to examine that kind of thing. However, it does mention off-axis sound rejection. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go directly to this side of it, and I'll go about 5 feet away directly to this side of it, and you shouldn't be able to hear me very well. So, and I'm going to be talking at the same relatively loud, honestly, this kind of loud way that I'm talking right now. Alright guys, I'm about 5 feet away from the AT875R, talking pretty loudly on the side of it. Obviously my voice shouldn't sound very well right now. Can you hear me? I don't know, hopefully not really, but yeah. So anyways, I think that overall it performed pretty admirably. I didn't check the off-axis rejection yet, so I'll put on screen what I thought of that, but anyways. Okay guys, so here I'm going to insert a quick sound test at different levels. So I've been talking pretty loudly for this video, but what if you're not talking loudly? What if I'm talking very quietly, and what if I'm talking really loudly? Let's test that out. So I'm at the same distance, I'm still in my chair, I'm going to talk really quietly now. So this is me talking, you know, very quietly in the direction of the AT875R. Obviously, you are meant to talk in the direction of it, so I am going to be fair to it and talk in the direction of it. I know I'm not looking at the camera. That's because I am talking to the AT875R. And now I'm talking really, really loudly. I'm almost yelling right at the AT875R from the same distance. This is the AT875R. I'm just yelling. I'm giving it my all. And so guys, now what we're going to do is I'm going to do a test of distance. So I'm going to go really close to the mic, and I'm going to come farther and farther and farther and farther and farther away. So I'm going to set this up. All right. I'm going to put the mic here. I'm going to set up my camera so you guys can see this, okay? This is the mic, right? I'm going to walk. Anyways, let's just do the test. It speaks for itself. This is me talking directly into the AT875R. I'm about 2 inches away. I'm moving backwards. I'm maybe 1.5 feet away, 2 feet away. I'm still moving backwards. This is about where I would be for a video, this far back here. I'm moving backwards more, backwards more. Now I'm far away. I'm like 5 feet away. I'm talking at the same distance, or the same sound level, audio level, the same decibel reading. Now I'm all the way backed up against my fireplace. I'm at least 6 feet away, maybe even 10 feet. So now I'm very far from the mic. On the opposite end of the spectrum is the Moukey MCM-1. At $20, this is the cheapest possible microphone for content creation and DSLR filming, although if you have a DSLR, you can afford the Audio-Technica, let's be honest. It also looks pretty much the exact same as the Rode Video Micro, which I'll put on screen. Same OEM, perhaps. This mic is actually designed to be mounted to a DSLR camera, and it comes with a mount and a small 3.5mm headphone cable. It's so short because, you know, you plug it right into the camera thing, which is like right nearby. It has a cardioid pickup pattern, and it comes with a dead cat windshield and an integrated shock mount. All that really matters is sound quality, however. The sound quality of the MCM1 can only be described as abysmal. When I recorded my audio with it for the PowerBeats Pro review, it sounded crackly and no better than my built-in iPhone microphone, and if anything, it sounded worse. And I'm going to put a clip from that video on screen now so you guys can hear how bad it is. Have you forgotten about Beats by Dre? I certainly did for a few years. They actually didn't go anywhere. They haven't even faded into obscurity as have many other brands. Rather, they've dropped their fancy branding and are now competing for the mainstream consumer after being bought by Apple in 2014. So definitely check out that full video for reference if you want to hear how this $20 mic sounds. It's super crackly and stuff. Amazon reviews showed good sound quality even in like the video reviews, so maybe the unit I received was simply a dud and some of them are good, but based on the results I've gotten, I cannot recommend the MCM1 at all. If you can't afford the $170 AT875R, better options than the MCM1, but maybe not as good as the one that I have, according to reviews, although I haven't tested them, include the Deity VMic D3 for $100, Rode Video Mic Go $80, and the Rode Video Micro for $50. Honestly though, even these mics have some possible QC issues, and the negative reviews on them are really negative. I would just save up for the AT875R. Try to find it on eBay like I did for a cheaper price. Again, I got this amazing mic for just $90. There really just hasn't been a sufficient amount of information about shotgun mics as of recently. Be sure to also look at lavalier mics, which are the ones that clip onto your shirt, as they are just as good as shotgun mics, better in some situations. Also, the MCM1 is trash. Don't buy it. See you guys.